we're back with another video. Anyway, let's get Barry down here. Barry, don't leave us! Barely! Barely? Barry, R.I.P. Barry. Alright, let's go! Let's go to statue. I wonder what that says. Okay. It's really laggy. Yoko-dan! Nah, man, I haven't. Guess the name! Sure. What the? Why is it? Oh, man. Let's see what I can do. What does this lever do? I can do that. What if I pull? What's it gonna do? Ah! Yakomi! Oh, is it open? Yeah, I'm opening it. Bam. Da, 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 da. What's in here? Why won't the door open? Wait. Oh. Hey, yo. I'm just gonna go over here. What is this? Oh, it's a puzzle. So where do I start? Wait. Maybe I can do this? What does that do? No way, man. So, I know what to do now. So, what's up here? Alright. Whoa. Let's see if I can do this. What the? Hey. What? 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 Why is it getting a little glitchy? What the? Alright, let's try it again. Dude! Come on! It's already becoming hard. Come on! Why wouldn't it work at all? God. Come on, come on. Let me up, let me up. Again, let me up there. Can I? Damn it. Was I able to do it? Did I do it? Did I do it? No, I didn't. Anyway, what's this? No. I guess both. 400s? You got 400 legs? That's crazy. I can't. Nah, man. Okay. Anyway. What? This damn sucks. This freaking sucks. Yes! Finally! Gosh! Man. Why do I hear, like, thousands of Dude, I can see you! Oh. Playtime.
Welcome to Statues.
Yeah.
This advanced obstacle course is designed to test your physical endurance and strength. The rules are simple. The lights will turn off. You can move through the obstacle course at this time. However, when the lights turn on, you can look around but cannot move.
That sounds easy.
You may move again once the lights turn on.
Oh my god, who are you?
The lovable PJ Pugapillar will
Oh,
you.
that's him.
If PJ catches you, your test is over.
Oh no,
That's all. Good luck.
I'm gonna have a rough time. But first I gotta see his jump scare, of course. He's just standing there. Menacingly. Yeah. Hi, man. Die alone? Oh, yeah. I didn't, but it's just a game. Me? Oh. I'm gonna see the jump scare, so I'm gonna move in the light. Hey, PJ! Eat me! Jeez, man. It's not over. Get up. I'm dead. I'm saying I'm dead. Anyway. Gotta go. Oh god. Gotta go. Foam pits. Yo. Yo, I like this. Wee, I like it. Ah! Okay, don't swing on those. Lesson learned. We're almost there. Get up, you son of a... I'm dead. I love saying I'm dead. Yeah. Big. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Don't get distracted. Gotta win, man. I know you're watching me. God. Gotta go. Damn it! So slow. Gotta go. He's right there. I gotta go. Please, have mercy. Gotta go. Whoa, I'm going. Don't. Thank you for the statue. Whoa. I can't die. He's in there. Gotta go. Jeez! Freaking that. I hate this. Let's try this again. I always be getting scared when I get jump scared. Gotta run. Go. Go. Please have mercy, PJ. So laggy. Go. Go. Gotta go. Oh, I don't think I can go in there, so let's do this. Whee! Oh, that was the right way. Bye-bye, PJ. You suck. Anyway, let's go down here, maybe. Let's go. Alright, let's go. I can't get up there, so no, man. Nope. I don't feel like it. Mommy long legs and family? No, I'm trying to read this. So it's a mommy, a daddy, and a baby. Shush! Oh, God. So this is mommy long legs and family. We got mommy, we got daddy, we got baby long legs. Cool. Anyway. Oh, maybe up here. Whee! Hello? It's crazy, man. So, wait, I don't know where to go. What? Why is there a door? Why do I hear a door opening? Oh. Let's go, man. Whee! Yeah! Where am I supposed to go? Oh, up here. Cool. Okay, so laggy. Alright. Yo, it's cool. Water treatment? Wait. I think I need to go that way. So, that sounds good. Alright, I meet Scan. Alright. I hope Huggy Wuggy Ah! Oh. Anyways, I hope when I scan that toy, Huggy Wuggy won't appear again and I'll get through the vents. That would be crazy. I don't think Huggy Wuggy will return at all. Let's try this again. Boom. Alright, so let's go to this side since I think I can go that way. Let's go. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam. Cool.
To be or not to be? That is the question.
I would like to be.
You and I were meant to be.
Alright, good with the jokes, alright.
Don't make me sting you. I'll do it.
I don't want to be stinged, man.
You need to get out of here.
What?
Just kidding. Go have fun.
Yeah, I want to get out of here, so leave me alone. Oh, they're going the wrong way. Let's see. I think we're gonna need to press some buttons so we can go the right way. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Dude, go! Is there like a button somewhere? Oh, this is a button? Yeah! Oh! Nope. Alright, you're going up? Wait, what's that? What? Wait. Well, let's look at the... I got Berry. Cool. Bunzo, Claw, Daisy, Hands, Kissing Missy, PJ Caterpillar, Train. Is it... What's going on? Why is it frozen? Oh. So I need one more statue. Oh. Yo, Oh, whoops. Oh, you can get back. Oh, sick of this. Bruh. Yo, I got it. Whoa, that's a cool sound effect. Down we go. I should not go. I should not make the jump. I should not do the jump. Right. If I do that and I die, then I'm gonna have to do it all over again. So I don't want that. Bam, 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 bam. All right, now let's go. Yeah. Alright, bullet toy scanner. Let's go through. Whoa, what is this? That's cool. I think I want to go in there, so. Oh, I bet. Yo. That looks so cool. Yo. What's this place? Alright. Sure. Pornograms. He was programmed to do it. Okay. I love you too, Boogie. Do you love me? Yeah. Dance with me. The button hurts me. The button hurts me? I mean you? Okay, maybe I should have not pressed the button. I hope you're okay, Boogie. I'm just gonna adventure through. Whoa. Yo. What's through here? Oh, okay, we're back. Okay, I'm sorry. Didn't know. Alright, let's go for this way. Alright, no. Whoa. Yo. Oh. So I need to trust that. So. Bam. Cam. Bam. Oh man, wait. Yo! Okay, I got it back quickly. It's so laggy. So I need to do that. It opens those doors. So I got an idea. Bam. Kabam. And boom! I am so genius, and you are a genius too. I like all. Anyway, let's see if I can get it. Anyway, let's go! Ah! No, man, I wanted to adventure that cool area. What's this area though? I want to get through. Way. I guess I need to do this. What the frick?
I asked you to play fair, and you cheated.
There was no way out. Frick you. I don't want to play one last game. I just want to escape. Actually, I want to see a jump scare, so I'm gonna take a good look at this guy, girl. Alright, let's see the jump scare. No. Oh god. Man. I never thought said it would be easy. Get up. I'm dead. Anyway, let's try to escape this time. Let's try to escape from this mummy long legs girl. Alright, I'm not scared of you. Yeah, man. Bam! Go away. Alright, let's try to get out. What about we jump down here? Gotta go. What's this place? Alright, we're safe. What if I try to go back? Let's see. Oh, whoops. Let's check. What if I try to go back, alright? What if I try to go back? No. Okay, I'm giving that out now. So let's go up and away. What? Oh, I'm gonna keep that in mind. What's up here? Bye bye. Yeah. Hello? Oh, go for here. Tunnel! Yo. It's so laggy. Oh. It is open. Oh, it opened that. Alright, that's cool. So laggy. We are trapped. Hello? Please don't tell me there's gonna be a Huggy here. I already had enough trauma. Oh, the statue! Final statue. It's Mommy Longlegs. I got all the statues, man. So cool, man. Yo, that's pretty cool. Let's go, but let's get through here. Wee. Wee! Oh. Alright. What's through here? What the hell? Texture glitches? Staff only? I'm going through! I don't care if it's staff only. Wait. I need to pull some levers to open this door. I'm gonna guess. Is it red? To blue. Green. To yellow. How did I guess that? Anyway. Wait. Should I go for here? I don't know if I'm gonna get chased or not. Wait. What's here? Oh, this is gonna be a perfect hiding spot if I get chased. Alright, so. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright. If someone chase. What the? Anyway. Oh, what the? What the? Oh crap. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Hey, so she's. I don't like her. Go up, go up, go up! Haha, you suck. Yeah. Yeah, you better run. I really don't like that laugh. So let's go. Let's hope she doesn't chase me again. Yo. I don't know where to put this gear. Wait, what is this? Okay, let's see what this is. Fire! Oh yeah! Light it on fire, light it on fire. Yeah. Burn it! Burn it! Huh, so, but what's up here? Oh. Yo! Alright. Like it doesn't look like it has eyes. Alright, let's see what it does now. room is this? Like a molding room, I guess. I think this would be a perfect hiding spot, though. If the fire isn't on, of course. If Mommy Longlegs steals my green hand, then she, and she turns on the fire. I'm basically screwed. Anyway, let's put the skier here, see if it fits. I did! It did. It does. Alright, this is gonna be a perfect hiding spot, so gotta keep ready. Gotta get it ready. Anyway. Boom! Alright. Oh no! Okay, perfect hiding spot. Perfect. Dude, get close! Close! Close, you son of a bitch! No. Okay. Don't activate it. Don't activate it. God, I don't like this. Hello? Okay, I think she's gone. Alright, what's down here? 05. Oh no. Do not enter? I will! Because I'm dumb. Honestly, I kind of want to jump on here and then pull the lever to see what it does. Yeah. Oh! Haha! I got you! Oh my god! Okay, never mind. You suck. I still have plans for you. Get up, you son of a... I'm dead. Alright, what if I do? What if I pull it? What if I hold it? Then I pull it. Haha, you suck. Oh no, she's coming for me! Go! I'm shaking. I don't want to go down there. So what if I jump? No! Oh, wait. Ah! No! Shut! Oh my god. No. Maybe up here? Up here? Ah! Sucks! Get away! Get! No! I got that! Okay. I'm Sig Reaver. Damn it, that sucks. We're almost there. Get up. Sucks. I don't like these. Just pull the lever, alright. Just pull it. I'm getting out of here. One way or another. Bye-bye, Mommy. Oh. Okay. Alright, so I'm not gonna look back. Basically. What the? Oh, wait, I didn't, okay. I absolutely suck. I think I ran into it because I think she was right behind me. She was about to kill me, so I'd rather die to the hand than her. Honestly. Wait, I got the same jump scare, so I died. Let's try this again. I hate this. Mob Entertainment, good game. But dang, it's scary. That's what horror games are supposed to be. Scary. And boom. Bye. I'm not looking back, alright? I'm going. I'm getting the frick out of here. He went. Ah! Jeez, I suck at this. Jeez. Jeez, Louise. This is long. This is the longest video I'm gonna make. Holy crap. Alright, time to lock in. Lock in. Why is it red? God, man. That sucks. Right, let me lock in. Lock in, lock in, lock in, lock in. I don't care what's happening now. Get me out of here. Cheese always! Oh my god! Oh, take that, mommy long legs! Ha! You're gone! Alright, what's from here? Finally, oh, this is cool. Yo. Alright, blue hand iron. Yeah. What? Oh. Can you open? Come on. Go, 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 go! Hello? Oh, she's stuck. Why not pull this? What is that? Oh my god! Oh, Ash! Oh, god! Oh, Ash! Oh my god! I want to save you, but you tried to kill me, so. Oh! Oh my gosh! What the frick? Yeah, you better run! Wait, who's that? Huh? Okay, I don't like this. Honestly. You scared the crap. Yo! Woo! Base C9, I think that's a. Okay, 09. I'm just gonna get out. I'm just gonna speed run this. It's so lagged. It's so laggy. So laggy. Boom. I'm not. Nah, man. I'm not.